How do you travel with your safety razor?
Let's
Or
make some
any
noise!
razor for that matter. All right, so we're going to go over how I traveled with a safety razor. I did a ton of research. I even put up a post here on my channel trying to figure out how to do it, because some people are saying that they could take it on a carry-on. Some people said it got taken by the TSA. Seems like they could take whatever they wanted to take. So I didn't want to check in a bag. So I ended up just shipping everything. So I shipped like 3 different razors. I shipped shaving cream, shaving balm, an alum block, and some blades, things that I'm going to need while I'm down here in Matlacha, Florida, which is beautiful. Ton of construction going on around here. This is where they had a Category 5 hurricane. We're going to be here for a while. So that's awesome. But I still am going to do shave videos here. And the cool thing is the bay is right down here, which is completely awesome. So I'm going to be doing some shave videos sitting right here on this dock, and we'll see how that goes. But one of the razors that I brought down with me was the Rockwell 6C. I really, truly, and duly love this razor. With 3 different plates, you have 6 different settings on those plates, which is completely awesome in my book. I just brought down 1 plate, the 5 and the 6 plate. I like the 6 on my face. It's really good. But you can travel with safety razors. I just didn't want to risk losing, one of my favorite safety razors. The Rockwell 6C, I can get away with taking down a ton of growth on my face. I can get away with taking down a ton of growth on my head. It is just such a versatile razor in any of the Rockwell lineups because they're adjustable, and that's huge. A lot of people think it's a disadvantage to have the plates. I kind of like it because I know right where I'm at every time with those plates. It's so versatile. You can take this razor with you anywhere, and I always get a beautiful shave. E2, I usually have it set at like 4.8, and it doesn't generally come off that at all. Unless I'm doing a head shave, I'll bump it all the way up to 6, or I'm trying to take off a ton of growth. But that razor is, any Rockwell razor is just completely badass. I didn't want to risk it. I didn't want to check in a bag. I hear you can check in a bag with a safety razor. I just, ended up shipping it down from Ohio to, southern Florida, which it'll be here Monday. So I'll probably do a shave Monday or Tuesday. So we're going to be shooting at this location for a while. So stay tuned to all of the awesome videos I have coming up. How do you travel with your safety razor, or any razor for that matter? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.